Alright, we're going to do a startup of a 1985 Mercedes 300 SD. It is a parts car we've had out here. The motor, the 5-cylinder turbo diesel, it had some problems. The fuel pump leaks and the fuel system, I think, is something wrong with it. Don't run quite right. I do plan to get it running. Well, that went pretty good, and we didn't have to use none of that. Amazing. That was with no glow plugs. In fact, the glow plugs aren't even hooked up, and it's probably in the 40s. It's been sitting for a couple months, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's a lot of smoke. Well, I'll probably make another video of it, and then get it running. Perfect.